I be counting all this money up.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would just do a fairly quick video because it's really cold outside and I'm really sick of this weather. It was snowing earlier today. It's supposed to snow tomorrow too. But I thought I would do a quick video and tell you guys like my future mods for the car and stuff, and like the build plans. I don't know every single little bit because it is a build and it's going to be like a day-by-day thing, and it's going to take time. And if you guys know how builds go, it's going to take a little bit of time. But my plans for the near future, exhaust I've already got, or I haven't got, but I've already ordered, and so get ready for that stuff. I have some other stuff on order also, so if you are a WRX owner and you're wondering about like transmission and shifter issues and stuff like that, that's one that you guys are going to want to look forward to, so get ready for that. But I thought I'd do a little walk around and show you guys the car I just got, and I just picked it up. I've owned the car for about a week, and it is a 2017 Subaru WRX. It is the base model, but I didn't really care that it was a base model, because if I would have got the premium, I would have had a sunroof and different wheels. I might be wrong if there's a little bit other stuff, but I mean, even the premium didn't have the greatest looking wheels on it either, and I didn't really care about a sunroof. So the wheels are going to be changed out anyways. As of right now, it does have HIDs in the headlights and fog lights. They're more of like a yellow in the bottom. I'm going to wrap those in the yellow. I'm going to put like a yellow film, and then I'm going to black out my headlights. So get ready for those videos if you're not subscribed and you want to see how to do that. I've done it before, and if you guys want to see how to do that, get ready for that one, because that's going to be a big difference. The car already has these like overlays on the grille and on the trunk, and it already has, I think they're rock blocks. I think it's what the brand of them are for the mud flaps. The WRX logo is already blacked out. Has 20% tint all the way around. It's not the darkest, not as dark as I'm used to. I usually do like 5%, but I'll deal with it. It has the STI exhaust on it, as you can see, but I'm changing that out. And I was wanting to ask you guys too, if I were to get a different trunk, should I do a lip, like a big like duckbill, just a lip spoiler that goes on the stock trunk, or should I do like a full carbon fiber trunk? You guys let me know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I'm having a difficult time trying to decide which one I would actually want, and the main reason is because my car has the reverse camera, and I really don't want to lose that. I'm sure I can probably figure out a way to get that onto the carbon fiber trunk, but I don't know. You guys just let me know. Tail lights. This has like the red overlay right here for the reverse, and I'm gonna switch that out and put the black one in there until I get new headlight or new tail lights. I'm planning on wrapping the roof in a gloss black vinyl, and front lip, side skirts. I don't know if I'll do like a full rear diffuser, but I'll probably get like the spats. Plans for the car though, I am planning on getting, or especially going stage 2, but I'll probably do like full NVIDIA exhaust all the way back. And I'm hoping for around 300 to the wheels once I go stage 3 or stage 2, and then once I go stage 3 and do like 85, I'd probably be hoping for around the 360 mark. and then whatever else happens, happens. You know, I might do bigger turbo. And the interior, I mean, it's still stock. Besides, it already has these overlays on the steering wheel, and then the climate control that has those red accents and stuff like that. And then this shifter is like the knob. I don't like how small it is, so I did order me another one. It's just a little bit bigger, probably a white one, or it is a white one that I ordered. But yeah, guys, also a lot of you guys are wondering why I bought a WRX over an STI. So I thought I would pick up or put my GoPro, God, I can't talk. I thought I would put my GoPro on the windshield and we'd go for a little drive, and I'd give you like my rundown of why I got this car instead of the STI, because the STI is exactly what I was wanting to get from the get-go. And then I decided, I changed my mind and got the WRX. So let's go drive around and I'll give you like a little review of what the car is like driving and why I bought a 2017 WRX instead of an STI. So let me get this camera put up and let's go for a drive. Let's go. I've owned the car for 1 week so far, and I guess this will be a little review for you guys and tell you guys what I think about it so far. Let's go this way. So the very first thing, I even said this when I got the car, that right there is the best part. Man, once that turbo kicks in, it just I know that a lot of you guys on my channel right now are Genesis Coupe owners. If you're new to the channel, I owned a 2013 Genesis Coupe 3.8 R spec, and my channel was based on that car. So probably 90% of you guys are Genesis Coupe owners, and you guys were about 50-50. Like, congrats, you got your car that you've always wanted, and the other half were like hating a lot. And I get it, but guys, it is my car, it is my life, so I hope that you guys can respect that, and I got what I actually wanted. But you guys hate on the car without even driving it. That's the worst thing that you guys can do, because stock, this car freaking moves. It is so quick. It's not fast. I will say that. It's not fast. My Genesis was definitely faster, but it is quick. Super quick. But in the long run, dude, this car will be faster after just a few $1,000s. Like, this car will be faster than my Genesis was. So I absolutely love this car. Will I ever miss the Genesis? Every single time that I get in this car and start driving and hear that turbo whistle and the way that, like, all the torque comes on to 2,000 RPM, and once that boost hits, I cannot help but just have a smile on my face the entire time that I'm driving it. I didn't have that in the Genesis, guys. Yes, it made me happy. Yes, I had fun in it. But it didn't give me the enjoyment that this car has. The handling is freaking awesome for a stock WRX. It's insane. Having all-wheel drive, guys, I live in Indiana. It snows. It's snowing right now. It's flurrying, but I'm sick of this freaking weather. But it's all-wheel drive, so I'm gonna be good in the winter. Whereas the Genesis was rear-wheel drive, and I had a hard time getting around. Just go around this little roundabout, and like, it stays freaking planted Hopefully you guys are okay with being over there and not like on the windshield pointing at my face. But I thought that you guys would like to have more of the cabin feel instead of just looking at me. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. But the car feels so flat. The handling is freaking awesome. The power is freaking awesome. Once that like there's like a half a second of turbo lag, and then it's like put your freaking head in the headrest. It's so much fun, guys. It's so much fun. But the question that I've been getting a lot, why did I get this car? Why did I get the WRX instead of the STI? Probably a question that a lot of people get, and I think I understand it. One, you don't have to wait up until 5,000 RPM to actually get your power that you do in an STI. This, it comes on so fast that when you're doing like city driving, like I do quite a bit, you actually get to use your power. Whereas the STI, you know, you're gonna have to be, I don't know, more on like a track with some straightaways, long straightaways. Where this is pretty freaking awesome. I'm gonna slow down because I want to hit these little turns and stuff again. So that's one thing. The power is so, I don't know how to explain it. Like the power comes on so much earlier in this compared to the STI. Number two, the STI is like $7,000 more, guys. For $7 grand. Just imagine the possibilities of mods that I'm going to be able to do to this compared to if I had an STI. Also, the payments are much cheaper, obviously, because it's a cheaper car. Insurance is like $150 cheaper a month to have this than the STI. Everything on the inside is exactly the same as the STI. Everything on the outside is exactly the same as the STI, besides a big wing and different wheels. Yes, you do get a different engine. You get a different engine, you get a different transmission, which is bulletproof. That's freaking awesome. And you get LSDs and bigger brakes. But is that worth it to me to have that stuff for $7,000 more and more payments and all the other crap? No, it is absolutely not. Because I'm going to be able, like suspension and stuff that comes with the STI, I'm going to get all of that stuff anyways. Even if I got the STI, I'm going to be getting coils, and I'd put coils on the STI. Same thing with this. So the stock suspension that comes on the STI, it doesn't matter if it's better than the WRX anyways. This car comes with the new FA20, like you guys already know. I love how they finally came out with something new. Whereas the 2020 STI is, I'd probably say 95% sure that they're going to put this engine in the new STI. Guarantee it. So why wait for an STI in 2020 when I can get this and just build this? You know what I mean? Yeah, if you're going to go and get, if you're going to be tracking your car, get the STI. But once you start modding, that's what was scaring me, because the EJ motors, WRX and STI, they have so many bad reviews on the internet for ring lamp failure. Once you start modding them, you are going to blow up your engine eventually. And I didn't like having that, I don't know, that problem in the back of my head, wondering when is my car gonna blow up? Because I already know, I mean, the way that I am, I modify my cars, and every single time that I go out, I don't want to always have to be thinking, is my car gonna blow up? You know? Whereas this, the reliability is freaking awesome. The modability to do this, it's cheaper to modify the FA20 and make more power than the STI. That's kind of like a no-brainer. I get, on average, I'm getting 32 miles to the gallon in this, whereas the STI gets like, I don't know, 16 for a 4-cylinder. Like, that is not acceptable. My Genesis got like 17, 18 miles to the gallon, but it was a V6. It's a big V6, so that's acceptable. But going from that car to this car, it's night and day with gas mileage, man. I mean, I drove all the way from Ohio to back to my house, which is about 150 miles away, and it barely broke the full mark the entire time. That's awesome. It's freaking awesome. So that's why I didn't get an STI, guys. That's why I got this instead of the STI. The biggest reason why is because of the engine. Like, flat out. I did not want to take the chance in getting an EJ and it blow up on me. I'd rather take my risk with the FA20, where it's been great across the board, and put my money into this. That is why, guys. So yeah, guys, hopefully I answer your questions, and if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. There's a lot of stuff that's coming to this car and to the channel, and I think that you guys are gonna like it a lot. I know I am. I'm gonna love every bit of it. But if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button. There's a lot of stuff coming, and I just can't wait. So hopefully I answer your guys' questions. If you guys are looking possibly why I bought a WRX instead of an STI, hopefully I answered that question for you guys, if you're trying to decide which one you guys would actually want to, because it was really hard for me to decide that, because I mean, the STI, I mean, that's the big dog, you know. That's the one that I wanted, guys. The one that I wanted. And I went with, I guess, the little brother. But I'm perfectly happy with my decision. Perfectly happy. If you guys are trying to decide that, I mean, I guess the easiest thing for me to tell you guys is just go out and test drive one and decide for yourself. But I love this car. I love every bit of it, and I know I'm gonna love it even more and more and more the more money that I put into it, and the more that I modify it and actually make it my own. So yeah, guys, if you guys liked the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, guys, keep it random. Peace.